Follow the step on how to make a simple cover design in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document and select A4 artboard size. Go to File, Place, and insert an image. Crop the image and follow the artboard size. Press Enter to close, and press Ctrl 2 to lock object. Press M and make a rectangle. Change to black. Set opacity to 70%. Press minus and click this corner. Press M and make a rectangle here. Press minus again and click this corner. Add gradient. Press G to set gradient angle. Copy this. Change color. Press Ctrl open square bracket. Press T to insert the text. Set the style and font size. Type the text. Insert text again. Select white color. Add a line here. Click at Anchor Point tool and click here. Press A, click this point and move it. Insert text for the company name. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.